Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component from the Machinist jack assembly, and it will be this bolt. This is going to be very easy. Now let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, and let's make this plain white. Now we'll open a sketch in the top plane, and here we'll select circle and we'll make a circle with diameter 16 millimeters. And now go to features, and here we're gonna use extruded boss base command, and here will be 68 millimeters. Press here OK. And now we'll select this face and we'll open a new sketch. We'll select polygon and we'll make one like this. Then select this center point with this point and select here make vertical. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension from this point line to this line. And here will be 25. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command again. And here will be 10 millimeters. Press OK. And now let's open a sketch in the right plane. And here let's start with a center line. Make it starting from this midpoint to this one. And now we'll select 3-point arc and let's make here an arc. Make it like this. And then with smart dimension, let's give a radius. Here will be 2 millimeters. And now select line and let's close this sketch like this. Then select this point and select here make tangent. Do the same with this one. And now we'll go to features again and we're gonna use revolved cut. This center line should be selected here, and here we'll keep these settings. Press OK. Alright, and now for this thread here, that is a cosmetic thread. So we don't have to do many things about it, we'll just have to find it. If you don't know where is it, for example, is you have to go to insert, to annotations, and then you can find it here, cosmetic thread. You can go up here to the right at this search icon and just write here cosmetic and it should appear. And if you want to see where is it, show command location, click on this eye icon and it's going to get you to that command you are looking for. See, right here from annotation, it's going automatically there. So yeah, let's insert it. So select cosmetic thread. Here we'll have to select the edge. The starting edge will be this one. Here the start face or plane, we can select this one. And here at standard, always I am using ISO, but the problem is here that we don't have M16 with 2 millimeters the pitch. So I've seen that at NC metric. Here is it. Here it is. We're gonna keep the type machine threads and the size we have it M16 with pitch 2. And here we'll keep blind and here 20 millimeters. And now press OK. Now we cannot see it because this is cosmetic. We'll have to go up here to options, go to document properties, go to detailing, and then select from here shaded cosmetic threads. Press OK, and now we can see it. Now the last thing that we'll have to do is to apply a chamfer. So select chamfer. The dimension will be 1 millimeter and the angle will be this one. Select this face or this edge and press OK. And now let's apply the material because we have it on the drawing. Right click on material, select here edit material. All the components will be from this material, steel AC1020. Click here apply and close. Alright. And now at the last component, the swivel, let's open it. We have to change something. So is that this hole right here? Because I couldn't find the one with the pitch 2.5 as specified on the drawing. Right click on it, select edit. Is because here at standard I'm always using ISO, but if we go again at asymmetric, we have the size we need, M20 with pitch 2.5. So let's change this one too. It was, yeah, M20, because this is how it's on the drawing, and keep all the other settings the same. Press OK. And now everything is according to the drawing. Don't forget to save it, save them both. And this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.